from Europe, Italy to be exact. We're starting off this vlog on Wednesday, June 17th. We're in Venice. Today, we're going shopping. I don't know what else we're doing. Oh, we have a walking tour. That's what we're doing. We got here yesterday. The jet lag, honestly, is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. This is literally my dream vacation. Like, I've been dying to go to Europe since I was probably 14 years old. Today, I'm most excited to check out the Zara and H&M because I've heard they're so freaking good here. I'm gonna finish getting ready and we're gonna go out in the town. See you in a bit. Okay, pause. Quick little rewind because I want to show you guys what I did the first day when I arrived in Venice, because we actually had a full day coming into Venice from the airport on our train. So starting off strong, we went on a gondola ride, and I learned something. All the men that be directing the gondolas, first of all, work so hard. It's so hard to direct one of those things. Second of all work independently, so they might work under a company, but they're the ones getting the commission, all the tips. But this was such a cute little ride. I ended up hitting my mom in the face. After that, we got some pizza. This was our first Italian pizza experience. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the best, but it was still really good. As you can see, I ate the whole thing. I basically ate my whole pizza. And of course, we had to get gelato. This was probably number 2 of best gelato I had all trip. I found it on TikTok. It was so yummy. That looks so good. Yeah, that's all I did. So let's move on to day 2. That's like my dream monogram. Actually, no. That one is. I like the lighter colors. My concealer's crazy. Is it good? Hold on. Can I have a bite? Guys, it's legend that apparently if you kiss your lover on or under the bridge, you have everlasting love. So, Libby. Look, it's all the couples writing their initials in hearts. Italy's such a town for love. Bro, I went here when I was in New York. I'm so excited. This is the best gelato ever. I can't decide if I'm gonna get dark chocolate again, like I did in New York. It was like impeccable, or if I should get something like refreshing, like low-key just stracciatella. I can't decide. Got my favorite freaking gelato literally in the whole entire world. I got strawberry and then the darkest chocolate, 85%. You like milk chocolate over dark chocolate? You don't know what's up. Oh my gosh. Mom, what'd you get?
I got the dark chocolate with chocolate chips inside, and I got the crema. It's like a
It's custard. Delicious. I want to try your custard.
I'll take those. That's so good.
What did you get?
I got plain lemon and chocolate.
Lemon and chocolate. Taste it.
Definitely the best gelato I've ever had.
We're shopping. Is this cute? On a side note, is this cute? Probably not. This is cute. For everyone hyping up this Zara so much, it's not that good. This is actually kind of cute, but
They don't have my size, of course.
together these go perfect. Do you see the vision? I see the vision. We're stopping for macaroon. Wait, try it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Miss Pronunciation Professional. Good. It's a macaron, everybody. Not macaroon, macaroon.
They're 2 different cookies.
You know what? I'm just gonna shut up now. currently on a water taxi back to the hotel. We had a great day, and where were we?
St. Marco.
St. Marco Square. We shopped till we dropped. I actually didn't buy anything except a bra. Little life update for y'all. We literally saw the King of Spain arrive, hence he is arriving. I don't really know.
We're in his procession right now.
We are in his presence. Look around. So many people are here in his presence. Coffee place we ate at was $120. Just thought I would mention that.
Not worth it.
Insane. Not worth it, as Anderson said. We literally, it cost us $35 just to sit there. It cost us $35 to sit there.
Charge us for music we didn't ask for.
So yeah. Anyways, see you later. Update. We found out it's the President of Italy. Oh, it's both. President of Spain and Italy. Oh, President or King?
King of Spain, President of Italy.
Okay, we also just found out the President of Italy is up there. King of Spain back there. Insane. You're witnessing this happen right now on the Grand Canal. We are witnessing this. Had my Dior heels I wanted to buy today, my outfit would be 10 times better. Instead, I'm wearing flip-flops. We're at this really fancy pasta restaurant right now. Apparently they're famous for their pastas. We got recommended it by our tour guide today, and she's like lived here for her whole life. So we're taking her recommendation. Just kidding. Anderson picked this out. It looks really good. I think I'm gonna get the truffle ravioli. It's ricotta and spinach with mascarpone and truffle cream. That might be the best pasta I've ever had.
Is it good?
It's so good. Beef cheek.